Hey everyone, how you doing? This is how my garage door opens. Yeah, that's how it opens. It doesn't go up like you always see a garage door does. That goes just like goes up and over. It does that. It's crazy how it does that. Kind of a old garage it is, isn't it? Have any of you seen a garage door do that? Now, newer ones, they don't do that. They just go like, zzz, but this one comes. Zzz. I'll show you. I'll come back, go in, pull out, then. It's funny. What does it? Yeah, I'll show you. How it shuts. Yeah, that's how my garage door opens and shuts. Let me know if you've seen a garage door do something like that before. Leave a comment. Let me know. Y'all, thanks for watching and have a good one out there.